Hello, everyone. It's been a minute. Let me take you through a quick two home remedy combination that I did for my hair care routine because I was too lazy to do other combinations. So I decided to do these two combinations. Originally, it was just the palm oil I wanted to do, but I opted for combining the two, and I did some research and I realized that I can actually combine the two, aloe vera and palm oil. If you notice, I first soaked the aloe vera in water, and the first water was yellowish. So you want to make sure you soak your aloe vera in water to remove that yellowish part, but it can make your scalp itchy if you just take aloe vera and make use of it like that. So after extracting the gel, I put it in a food processor with my palm oil and grinded it together, mix it, blend it together. I would advise you use a proper blender because I noticed that after grinding or blending it, I had a lot of particles on my hair after washing off the hair with water. So if you use a proper blender, it will be more smoother. So after that, I noticed that after I cut my hair in February, late February. But I've not done an update on the current length of my hair. So this is the current length of my hair. This is September. That is 7 months thereabout. It's not there yet, but it's growing, and that's because I've not really had time to take care of my hair as such. And if you notice, I'm going in with the leftover of the aloe vera because I've exhausted my conditioner. Then I want to make sure that my hair is moist before I loosen the hair. As a natural hair girl, you don't want to loosen your hair dry. Before you loosen your hair, you want to make sure you have your leave-in conditioner and water with you. You spray it and you can feel that it's softened enough. You don't want to see water and leave-in conditioner are your best friend if you want to carry natural hair. So what I do is you do 70-30, 70% of water, 30% of the leave-in conditioner. If the leave-in conditioner is creamy, but if it is loose already, you don't need water. So when you're going out, when you're going to the salon, you want to carry your leave-in conditioner with you because some salons can be nice solely with their leave-in conditioner. But when you carry your own, they don't mind using it for you as much as you want. So, so when you're combing your hair also, you want to make sure your hair is well moisturized before you go in with your comb. You don't want to see the pieces of your hair all over the floor or strand of your hair. So after applying the hair treatment, I went in with my shower cap and left it for 1 hour. After one, you can do 30 to 45 minutes thereabouts. After 1 hour, I rinse it off with shampoo and a warm water because of the palm oil so that it will wash up totally. Then I went in with a shoelace to do a quick updo till I figure out the style I'll be doing for the month again. So I would advise if you're doing a hair treatment, don't be in a rush to move to another type of hair treatment. Do it consecutive times for you to see if it's actually working or not. Because you don't want to apply several things in your hair and you are not sure whether it's working or not. So when you try it, you can figure out if I will continue with this or not. I hope you will try out this combination. Thank you and bye for now.